Hi guys, today we're gonna do a little floor work combo. So I hope you guys have your heels ready. I hope you guys have been practicing walking in them and doing other things in them. And also, most importantly, I hope you guys are warmed up. If you're not, then please warm up and then get back to this. Also, since it's a video, I'll be going a little fast, but feel free to pause and rewind and banana tikana as per your convenience. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's jump into it. The name of the song is The Devil Within by Digital Dakas. Let's do this. Okay, so you start by sitting on your knees and your head down. And you're gonna go 5, 6, 7 and 8 to look up, right? So you go 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1. So on 1 you're gonna put your left hand down. Cool, so you're gonna go 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. On 2 you're gonna slide your legs to the side and set your hip down. So it's gonna look like this: 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2. Okay, cool? Let's do this. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2. On 3, you're going to take your right hand, you're going to place it on your knee and you're going to open your knee up. Now as you open your knee out, also thrust your hip forward. So you reach here and then 3 and 4. Okay? All together. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. From here, you're going to do a body wave. Right, so one of these things. So you're gonna take your chest out, roll that back and down. And when you're doing it in that position, in this position, since it's an awkward position, you really want to exaggerate this as much as you can. So really take your chest all the way up, your hip all the way up, and make it as exaggerated as you can. And it's also gonna be a long movement, slow movement, so take your time with it, right? So 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to come down. Cool, so let's try that. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. From here, you're gonna slide your right leg out towards your left side. Make sure your leg is straight. Okay. And then from there, you're going to slide it back in, bend it at your knee, get it to your other leg. And now what you're going to do is you're going to place your other leg down and slide it to the other side. So in order to slide it to the other side, what you want to do is basically you want to raise your hip, raise your bum, so that you have all the space niche, and then you can just sort of bring it to the other side. Make sure you raise your chest as well, extend, look all pretty, and show you from the side as well once. So 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Cool? Okay. So you reach here. And then you're going to extend, you're going to do the same thing with your other side, where you're going to extend your left leg out towards the right hand side, but this time you don't straighten it out, you just sort of bring it here. And now what we want to do is we want to do a bit of a fan. Okay, so in order to do that, you lean back with your upper body, lean back, stretch, straighten, and you're going to bring it to the side. And as you do that, your right leg's going to follow. Cool, so we're here, and then you fan. Once you reach here, just follow. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Okay, let's try to put this all together. Let's see. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we've ended up here, right? So you remember the pull through thing that we did with our leg in the beginning? We're going to do it again. So your left leg is going to go through and you're going to come in this awkward, weird position. Let me show you from this side. and then it goes through, and you're in this awkward position. Cool. Let's try that. You're here, pull through, awkward position. Once you get here, what you want to do is you want to bring your hand back and lie down. Yay! So from here, pull through, come on the side. Once you're on the side, you want to push your body up. So, bum up, raise your bum, bring your knees in a little bit, and then use your arms to push your upper body back and come to your knees. You're here, you're gonna pull this leg, lie down, and you're gonna slide your body up, take your time with it again. Once you're here, you're gonna bring your foot here, the other one, so you're in the sitting position, and from here you're gonna stand up or bum first. Okay, so bum, and then the rest of your body follows. Kinda sorta makes sense, maybe. Let's try that on music once. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So guys, that is the combo, and honestly just make it your own. Do your own thing with it. In fact, in general also, one thing that holds true for pole is that all pole movements are basically just a skeleton, and you can experiment with them, play around with them, and that's what I want you to do with this Floorwork combo as well. And I'm gonna do it 2 more times, so do it with me. And feel free to pause, rewind, play it as many times, and dance with me as many times as you want. So let's get on with it. You'll never know what hit you. Won't see me closing in. I'm gonna make you suffer. This how you put me in. I'm underneath your skin. The devil within. You'll never know what hit you. Yeah, hopefully, maybe, kinda sorta. Let's do this one more time on the video, and then you can do it as many times as you want with the virtual, not real me. You'll never know what hit you. Won't see me closing in. I'm gonna make you suffer. This how you put me in. I'm underneath your skin. The devil within. You'll never know what hit you. So that was it, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you do it. If you do it, then post it. If you don't want to post it, then just record it and send it to me, because I would love to see you guys try it. And I shall see you soonish.